My name is Marwin Tubali, at 29 years old, and my status is single. I am a student of Actec Caloocan Caregiver Section St. Camilo's. The name of my college school is Cagayan State University, Carig Campus, Tugigaraw City, Cagayan Valley. I studied a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Programming. I graduated year 2016, and my high school name is Abulug National Rural and Vocational High School, graduated year 2012. The organization I work is at the Fisher Foods Corporation, located at Quezon City. My job is a receiving clerk for almost 7 months. I receive all the deliveries from the supplier and check the quality and quantity of the product. The age group of patient I want to take care is child. Dahil po mas magaan po ang trabaho at mas madali pong turuan ang mga bata, at maliban po dyan, mas madali po silang kargahin kapag po hugasan or papaliguan. Maliban na lang po pagka may mga sakit po ang mga bata. Pero overall po, mas pipiliin ko po ang mga bata dahil mahilig din po ako sa mga bata. Where do you prefer to work as a caregiver, local or overseas? For me, I prefer overseas po. Dahil po gusto ko po makatulong sa family, and alam ko po natin na hindi ganun kalaki ang sahod dito sa atin at marami sa ating mga kababayan na nag-aaral ng caregiver for their future in other country. At ang napili kong country is Canada dahil po nandoon po ang ate ko at ang kuya ko. At ang ate ko po ay isang caregiver po sa Canada, at base po sa kanya, mas maganda ang binibigay na benefit sa mga workers nila. That's why I choose to work overseas than here in our country. Thank you.